I'd love to have the chance to just say I've got some stuff that some of you might find of interest, so come and talk to me. The thing on the left is a site called sameas.org. I live in the linked data semantic web world, and one of the challenges in the semantic web is it's actually a distributed system, which is hard to deal with. I'll call it linked data because I'm not so interested in the AI and semantics and stuff. I'm interested in the engineering. And so doing the linkage is a problem because all the sites say, oh, I can link here, I can link here, I can link here. And how do you find all those links, which in the linked data world are same as, so you say this thing's the same as something else. It's all distributed. There isn't this sort of Google to do this. So this is meant to be Google, in some sense, Google for the linked data, which is that if you have a URI, some of you won't know what I'm talking about, but then it's probably not helpful to you what I'm talking about in any case. But in the linked data world, if you have a URI, you want to know what people think are the same. And so this is a service where you put the URI, this is a thing on the left, into a box at the top, and I've harvested lots of same as's that I think are reasonable, and put them in, and you get back all the ones that we think are the same. So if you want to find out about it, go and look at sameas.org, and it'll tell you that. The interesting thing for you guys is potentially I've now set it up so that you can have your own sameas store. So you can have a subset of sameas.org, sameas.org store/myexperiment, for example, where you can post these pairs of things that are the same. It gathers them all together. And then you can consume it yourself, or you can republish, being republished for other people to use all that sort of stuff. And if you want, you can federate it with the main one, or you can keep it to yourself. So if you've got this linkage problem identity, you know, you've got uniprot gene that's the same as DBpedia and Freebase and stuff, and you want to find out about it, then that might be a service you want. The thing on the right is the it's something else that has some services. It's RKB Explorer. You can go and look at it. If you put in RKB Explorer services, what you can do is put in the URI of a person and find out who they work with, what their publications are, what their details are, what organization they work for, perhaps, where we've harvested from about 40 or 50 sites, including all the OAI, all the NSF, all the Cordis, a lot of the EPSRC data, and we're republishing it all. You can find out what people are interested in. So it's just a pointer. Go and have a look at those. There might be services that you can consume or that we can offer you as the same as stuff, and I'm happy to be talked to. Thanks very much.
Thank you.